I just vanished. What is wrong with me? After watching the Ford Mach-E reveal, I loved this car and I was very interested in seeing it in person. So I flew out to LA and I saw it at the LA Auto Show and became completely obsessed. This definitely is a car that I could see myself driving. It has a lot of the amenities and the luxuries that I want in a vehicle, and now I'm going to choose which one I'm actually going to get for the reservation. It is the first electric vehicle that I've ever been completely in love with. So I like the Mach-E over the Nissan Leaf because it has a much slicker look. Sleeker? There's more electronics inside of it. It has powered seats, thank God. And the sunroof, I'm completely in love with. If there's one thing I could have in that car that I would take into every car, it is that gorgeous sunroof that goes all the way across the top of the vehicle. And I went to the LA Auto Show and I got to see it in person, and that just sold the deal. I definitely am gonna get one, but I need to choose which one I'm going to get. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So now I'm at the Ford Mach-E website and I'm gonna decide which one I want. So after deciding my reservation, so it gives me the options Select, Premium, California Route 1 Edition, and GT. They did take out the first edition, which is not available for anyone anymore, in case you guys are wondering where it went. So after looking at the Select model, I did like a couple of the amenities it had, and I'm going to Premium. Oh, Premium has a lot more options. So doing the extended battery range, and then I want to go to my interior. Oh, there's two different options for interior now. So this one definitely has more options than I got in the Select model. And the Premium also has a sunroof I want, which that's a necessity for me. So the Select is out. I've already decided I can't get that one. And now moving forward in this, well, they're still giving me a lot of options, so it makes it pretty difficult for me to really narrow it down, and I want to keep on looking at the other models. Now going to the GT. Oh, they only give one option. And then interior, they don't have options for the interior, and it's actually completely different from the other interior. So I guess everything is super different in these. Okay, so this is getting really confusing and frustrating to navigate through. I can't navigate back and forth to decide which features are in which one and keep track of everything, so I think I just need to have a spreadsheet to have everything all together. So I just finished making the spreadsheet. It took a little bit of time, and I was able to decide what everything has, what only a couple of them have, and the things I really, really want in my vehicle. So it's been very helpful, and I would definitely share the spreadsheet with you guys. So a couple of things that I found out while looking through my spreadsheet is, number one, the spreadsheet color. The spreadsheet color is this. Okay. So now that I did the hello. Thank you for sniffing me. Okay. So now that I've done the spreadsheet, I think I've uncovered some things that people aren't really realizing whenever they're going through these cars and deciding which ones they want. Number one, the paint. With the paint, you have to pay extra to get the Infinite Blue, the Star White, or the Rapid Red looks. But with the GT version, they're free. So if you're buying a GT, you don't have to pay extra for paint. So if you're buying a GT, you don't have to pay extra for paint no matter what color you choose. But that is the most expensive model that they have. And on the other models, if you want those paint colors, then you have to pay $400 for Rapid Red and Infinite Blue and $600 for Star White. So keep that in mind whenever you're choosing, because you have to pay extra for those colors. But one of the sad things is if you're getting the GT model, there is no panoramic fixed glass sunroof. So that's out for me. I'm not okay with that because the sunroof is something I always look for in my cars. I absolutely love sunroofs. I know some people are opposed to them, but I like that natural light. I like being able to have my car feel more roomy whenever it has a sunroof. The thing that does suck about it is it's a fixed sunroof, so I can't have it open. But it is better than nothing. So it doesn't make sense to me that their top of the line version wouldn't have this roof whenever it's something that a lot of people are very interested in. So a second thing that I've noticed about this spreadsheet is the delivery dates are weird and they don't match up with the reservation dates. So specifically looking at the Select model, it says on the website that it starts delivery on early 2021, but whenever you reserve it, it says that it's coming out late 2020. So Ford, if you're watching this, get your IT people on this. It's confusing. So a third thing that I've noticed while making this spreadsheet is some of the numbers on here don't match up. Whenever I selected the premium model and the extended range rear wheel drive, on the beginning of the website whenever I'm selecting it, the peak power is 190 kilowatts to 282 horsepower. Vroom, vroom. So whenever I went to the reservation and then I looked at the bottom, it said something different. It said 210 kilowatts to 282 horsepower. So which one is it? So the exercise of making this spreadsheet has really showed me how to narrow down my choices and showed me exactly what I want in the vehicles. Without it, I don't think it would have been simple for me to pick which one I wanted the best. And there was a lot of confusion while looking on the website whenever there's so many things to pick from. So if it wasn't for that, I really wouldn't have decided the one that I really want, which is the premium extended range. And the reason that I picked this model is because things that are important to me include the range, because I don't want to have to be stuck in the middle of nowhere, especially if there's no charger around, which we got to get some more chargers around here. The other feature that I really love in the car is the panoramic fixed glass roof. It makes it look so much more spacious inside. It makes it like basically glow whenever you're driving, and I am so excited to actually drive with it on my car. It really makes it look big. And I realized that I can't get that except for in this model and a couple others, but they're kind of out for other reasons. The third thing that I really want is that white interior. I think that it makes it look so beautiful inside, and especially in the summers, it's not gonna make my seats burn me whenever I sit in them. And it's only available in the premium model. So after deciding everything, I think that my best choice is gonna be the premium extended range RWD in the color of infinite blue and metallic tint with a clear coat for $400 extra because it is so pretty. And the interior, I get all the amenities that I wanted, including all the other features that come with this model. The comfort package, there is no indication of what that is, but it just sounds great, so I want it. It's the package of comfort. And I want it with a white interior. And that is going to come to a total of $56,000. I think I got that in my piggy bank. So next up, they got my money, they got my reservation, and I've sat in it in LA, but when am I gonna be able to drive it next? And now I'm on the hunt to figure out where I can drive it. So to all of you out there, if you've driven it before or you know where I can get a test drive, leave it in the comments, let me know what your experience was like, and tell me how I can get in one. And I'm gonna leave a link to my spreadsheet in the description box so that you guys can download it and decide which one's the best for you. It really helps, trust me, a lot. And if you already made a reservation and looked at the spreadsheet and realized that's not the model that you actually wanted, let me know in the comments and what you're gonna do about it. We can figure it out together. I'm Tish, your Evgrl. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe. I'm so excited to get in my new Mach-E. See you guys next time.
I'm Tish, your Evgrl. She thinks she's so glamorous. I'm Tish and I'm ordering my Mach-E. I want a white interior. And the moonroof is awesome.